Barbar tayo mga kainsan dito sa ilalim nitong barko namin. Bagong update natin. Ayan, puntahan natin dahil ngayon ay tapos na ng pinturahan. Kaya bababa tayo ngayon mga kainsan. Tara, let's go. Ito mga kasama ko yung dami namin. Ang lalim na pala nito. At yung lalim. Ayun, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ibaba. Makikita na natin ngayon ang barko natin, bagong pintura. Yan po. Ito, ang pintura na yan. Mga kainsan, ikutan natin dito sa may malapit. Laki nitong gusto. At ito yung aming ng truck. Yan, yung salamin. Okay. Ito nga pala mga kainsan, nakapatong lang o. Yan, yung barko. Yan. Kaya makikita nyo yung kahoy. Ito yung kahoy niya o. Nakapatong lang mga kahoy. Kapal. Mga kapal na kahoy. Dito tayo ngayon sa lalim. Ito yung aming thruster. Dalawa thruster. Yung mga kainsan yung sinasabi kong kahoy o. Yan. Ito, nakapatong lang o. Ito yung ilalim ng barko namin o. Ang ganda na o, bagong pintura. Yan.
And all these wooden floats are going down. And then the ship will not be anymore on this float. And they are removing it. And then you can take this.
You can pull it back.
Huh? You put that. Come on. But this is when you come, so you put the vessel on the float. And for example, for Australia, because here will be a new paint, yes, silicone paint. It will be all around. But here, nothing yet. So next drive when we go with this arrangement of the float, but we move this one, for example, 1 meter here. That one, half a meter there. That one, half a meter there. And then we paint the remaining side. So it's not always the same one. But if you have a problem, for example, now, with the high water pressure here, the sand is splashing, you get off.
Ito po yung sun. Kaya kung gusto kasi yan, tatanggalin na ito ng high pressure, tatanggalin yung buhangin, kaya pwede na mong maalis yan. Pwede mong ilipat kung saan mo gustong ilipat. Ganyan po pala ang proseso yan. Tara, let's go na. So, pasyara natin yung ilalim ito mga kainsan. Ayan, ang ilalim. Napakalapas. Ito yung pinakang ilalim na niya. Yan yung mga kahoy. Yan, mga kahoy. Nasa ilalim na tayo ng barko. Dapat. Kita dito, baka ating magsaka. Perat. Stabilizer. Yung stabilizer na
Now it is in open position and it is without power. But generally, when the stabilizer is the power, it is on the silver level. And how it works is this one. So, okay. There are two principles. Sometimes it is this, no? It is going up and down. But the time is moving sideways. How it is going up, and up and down. What is the purpose of this?
no more chasing.
More or less.
Let's stop it.
No. Therefore, for example, in the navigation story, I mean, history, that this stabilizer, how it is going all the way inside of the package. So sometimes, maybe when you go alongside, like in this pier here, yeah? So you go alongside, and you forget to put the stabilizer inside, then the vessel is going, up, so it's not better. What happened is, personally with me as well. But that was yeah, that's what I remember, yeah?
So, papunta na tayo sa trailer natin yung mga son. Trailer. Ang ating trailer namin kaptan. Kaya nasa unahan namin. Kaya yung nag-stay.
So, if you take a look here, this vessel it is a double hull vessel. Double hull vessel. Double hull. So what does it mean that, From here all the way down, from here all the way to forward, there are tanks. Could be fuel tanks, grey water tanks, void tanks. And all the tanks on this vessel, they have the bottom plug. Here if you take a look, it's a plug. So what we are doing, when we enter in dry dock, the first thing what we do, we open all this. We open all. And more what is inside of the tank is going out. But at the same time, we are not opening the fuel tank, yes? So we, for example, we should know what is the location of each tank and each button, because you may go and you open the wrong one, yes? And here, for example, is written which tank you got. You have the tank here and the plug here. Yeah. The main shaft. Two propellers, yeah? 1, 2. The shaft by the turning always with the same RPM, always turning, yeah? And both of them they are turning inside. The way how the vessel is going ahead or astern, the blade are 1, 2, 3, 4. The angle of the blade is the floor. If for example this big thing, it is our steering wheel, steering rudder, yes? The rudder. And the rudder, what you can do, you are turning in one side and the vessel is moving in another side.
Pinta po. Pintab na namin propeller sa bagong bago na. Bagong bago. Ayan, ang taas Ito mga kaibigan yung nakaharang sa tubig para hindi makapag talaga lang. So mga kaibigan, papunta ang ating tour dito sa baba. Kaya ngayon ay naakyat na. Kaya ang ating mga kasama pa uwi na. Wala. Tingnan mo parang maliit lang. Pero ang dapat dyan sa lalim Ang taas itong padero. At yung argan flow. Yung mga kabina. Mga kabina namin. Yan. Pero, napan ito. So mga kainsan, no? Ito na mga kainsan, no? Bagong pintura na yan. Ayan. Nakasab na ang aming barko.